In this example, we'll be looking at a word problem involving motion. Tim walks 4 kilometers per hour faster than Jane. In the time it takes Jane to walk 7.5 kilometers, Tim walks 13.5 kilometers. Find their speeds. What I would like to do for this problem is set up a table. In my table, I'll have a row for Tim and a row for Jane. In the columns, I'll have a distance, a rate, and a time. Now we know that distance equals the rate times the time. That's a formula that we will use for this particular problem. Tim's distance is 13.5 kilometers. Jane's distance is 7.5 kilometers. We're not given anything about their rates, but we do know that Tim walks 4 kilometers faster than Jane. So we could say that Tim's rate is whatever Jane's is plus 4 kilometers per hour more. That would make Jane's rate X. The time is what we're going to use to solve this problem. Now let's look at our formula here and let's solve this for t. If we solve this for t, it would be by dividing both by r. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the time in our columns in terms of the distance and the rate. Tim's time will be his distance divided by his rate. Jane's time will be her distance divided by the rate. The reason why I want to use time is because we're talking about the same amount of time. In the same time. So the time will be equal. The time it takes Tim to walk 13.5 kilometers is the same as the time it takes Jane to walk 7.5. Now at this point we can solve. The method I'm going to use for this is proportion. In other words, I want to cross multiply this problem to solve. I'm going to distribute 7.5 7.5 times 4 is 30. And now I'm going to solve. I'm going to subtract 7.5 x from both sides. This leaves me with 6x equals 30. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 6. I get x equals to 5. Now recall that x was Jane's speed. And remember that Tim's was x plus 4. Therefore, Tim's speed is 9. And this is kilometers per hour.